very well. Ibrahim Lawa. So with the 10 numbers we can go in. Thank you.
I came to be the one to lay the red carpet. I wanted to be the one to lay it. I wanted to be the one to lay it, but you were not there.
Because, this appointment belongs to the and you remember that I would not say that before. There's one young man called Bolaji Sahabi. He said you were colleagues at some point. So I told him, I said, he has gone to